Hello everyone. With Treflow School Management System, you can enjoy one-in-all package. What do I mean? Your staff can log in and have access to information about the students, the results of the school, and every other thing apart from the finances features. And the bursar can log in to have access to the financial aspect of the school so as to monitor how payment comes in, how payment goes out, and all of that. And the students can also log in to do their CBT exams, either theory or objective CBT. But to start with, you must enter the details of your students using the students database. So with our student database, you enter the information of all your students, and this will automatically go into the attendance register. This will automatically go into the attendance register. It will also go into the student ledger. It will also go into the broadsheet. So after you have entered the details of your students into the student database here, you do not need to worry yourself about where else you should enter the names of your students, because every aspect of this school management system where the names of your students will be needed will get automatically updated when you add their names and their details on this database. Okay, this admission fee here is the school fee of the student. So this one you have entered for the student will go automatically into the student ledger, and so there's no need to go and enter the school fee of the student there again. It is only other details of the students that you will enter there. Like, let me show you the ledger. The name of the student has been automated. Just update the session by yourself and then indicate if your student is a normal student on discount or on scholarship, and then the registration fee, you put it there so you can see the school fee has been updated itself. So you put the amount for uniform, for textbook, for everything they need to pay for in the school, and it will calculate it automatically for you. So when they begin to make payments, you enter the amount being paid, maybe for the first installment payment and for the second and the third, and then you move to second term. It will be calculated automatically for you. If you come to the extreme end here, you as the school owner, you can see the general overview of all the money expected from a particular student, the amount received from that student, and the total amount that is still outside from all your students. The amount of money expected at the end of the term or session, you will see it here, the received and the ones that are still outside. And here is where you will see the expected from the student, expected amount paid by the student, and you enter the account details of your school here, the name of the bursar, you put it here also, and that settles everything about the. So all you have to do is go to your school bill and maybe print or generate for that student. You can print or just generate one for that student and you are good to go. Okay, and that settles it. You can do the same thing for the school receipts. When they make payments, just come here, copy the receipt number. Let me show you how to get the receipt number. It is either you generate a receipt number or you come to view receipt number and copy it, or copy the ones that we have here already. And this same receipt number also can also be used to do passcode as passcode for the students when you want them to write exams and you want them to use passcode. Probably you want to sell the passcode to them. Can you see it's asking for password here? So you can sell that passcode to them and give it to them to do the exam. So they put their name and the passcode. Let me quickly enter a name here and see, and then a passcode, and then I log in. So I'm starting the exam. So when I'm done with the exam, it's going to show me the answer immediately. And then you can also use calculator. Can you see? Then you close the calculator and continue with your exam. Then you can also have theory exams also. The theory, the part where you are going to put in the answer is going to show below this option part. So there you can enter the theory answers, and this part is meant to show okay, this is a theory question, and whenever your question is having image, it's going to show the image here. So let me just quickly answer this, and then we move to the next question. So here is the last question for this particular student. Then it shows us that the exam has been completed, and the student should click on exam completed. Please click on this save score after OK. So they click on save score, and then it allows them see the results of the exam they have just done. Can you see the result sheet? They click on OK, and from here another student can come and then do his or her own exam also. So that's how to go about it. And I have not shown you, okay, I think I've done that. The report sheet, we have two types of the report sheet. We have one that you can use termly for those that will prefer just to display the score for the term alone. So this one, can you see when I change it to first term, this place changed to first term. So this one is going to carry the result for first term. If you go to second term, it's going to change to second term. It carries the result for second term. And we have the second type, where the result for first term, second term, and third term and the average shows on a page. So if we are in first term, you have the scores here. If you are in second term, you have the scores here. Third term, you have the scores here, and the average. Like that, everything shows the way it should be. And then we also have another one for crèche, for those that want the report sheet for crèche to be different. This one is also there. And on our school management system also, you have the e-library where e-notes has been saved. E-notes, so you can upload more by yourself. And then we also have the school timetable generator. Just enter the names of your staff, the class they are taking, the subject they are taking for that class, and click on this generate button, and that we do. The staff details can also be entered into the staff database here. You can keep record of how you make payment to your staff and everything about them. Also, the CBT aspect has question bank, and the question bank has a lot of how will I put it now, a lot of questions already. Can you see this subject? All these subjects here, they are subjects that are already on the question bank for the CBT exam purpose. And so you can upload more, and you can decide to upload 20 questions and then ask them to do only 5. For instance, let me show you something under my settings. I did 7 exams the other time. That's because I uploaded 7 questions and I said I want 7 questions to be asked. I can actually switch off the password required if I don't want it to require password again. Okay, so that's how this thing works. You are going to enjoy it. It's going to relieve you of so many stress. The school bill, the receipt, the report sheet, you can save it as PDF and send it to parents without the need to print anything out, saving yourself the money for papers. Saving yourself the money for what? Papers. Reach out and let us get started. You can also log in as a student, where every other thing we